Welcome, students. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the derivative of a function at a point. Let's say in this case, we're going to do the point 1, comma 2, and we need to find the derivative. How to find the derivative implicitly. How to find the derivative implicitly. Okay, so notice the way it looks, the function x squared plus xy plus y squared equals 7 doesn't look like it's easy to find and solve for y and then take the derivative. So what we're going to do is we're gonna find the derivative implicitly of the function here, expressed implicitly. Okay, so we're gonna take the derivative dx of x squared plus dx of xy plus dx of y squared, and then equal to, when we take the derivative of a constant, so it becomes 0. Now we're going to take each derivative. So derivative of ddx of x squared, that's just 2x. Now here we need to do the product rule. So we're gonna do plus, take the derivative of x, that's 1, so we're left with y, plus the derivative, so we're left x, and then take the derivative of y, which is y prime. And now take the derivative of y squared. So that's going to give us 2y prime equal to 0. So we take the derivative and then multiply it times the derivative of the inside of y, which is y prime. Okay, so now let's collect terms. So we're going to collect this term and these two other terms here. So it would be 2x plus y. Now we can factor out a y prime. So it would be plus y prime and then x plus and then whatever here, which is 2y equals 0. Now let's start moving things so we can let y prime by itself. So we're going to move the other side so then y prime becomes negative 2x plus y over, and then we divide by this, so that would be x plus 2y. But the final step is to plug in the point 1, 2 into the derivative, and then we're done. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so y prime at 1, 2. So we're gonna do, so y prime is equal to negative. So 2 times 1, that's 2, and then y is 2, so plus 2. And then at the bottom will be x equals to 1 plus 2, and y is equal to 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, so plus 4. And that's equal to negative 4 over 5. Let's write it clearly, one sec. Let's write it clearly. It will be negative 4 over 5. And that's our final answer. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, so we can continue doing great stuff in this channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.